Hello dear students, welcome to the 9th class chapter of economics, the story of Palampur. This story of Palampur is the story of a village which is hypothetical. Hypothetical means which is imaginary village. And by this village, in this chapter, you have been taught the occupation, the living, the standard, the families, the infrastructure of the village. So first of all, we will come to know about the occupation of village Palampur. The main occupation of the village is farming. Here 75% people are doing agriculture and 25% of people are doing non-farming work. So as I told you, farming is the major source of livelihood at Palampur. 75% of working people are dependent on it. People are either engaged as farmers or farmer laborers. And besides, 25% people at Palampur are having non-farming work. Now again see in the farming work. They are adopting modern cultivation by using tractor, tube well, multiple cropping. What is multiple cropping? When farmers grow the crops, more than 2 crops, this is called the multiple cropping. And also they are using HYV, high yielding seeds, and this resulted into green revolution. By the using of modern technology, using of high quality seeds and using of multiple cropping, the green revolution has come in that village. Now again, let us see which non-farming work are doing the people in the Palampur. First is dairy farming. In dairy farming, the people sell milk in the nearby villages and nearby towns. Second one is small manufacturing work. Some small manufacturing work is going on in this village, like basket making, pot making, doll making, and jaggery making, etc. After that, transportation. There is a road link with village to the towns. So for this, rickshaws, tongas, bullock carts are going from town to town. After that, shopkeeping. In shopkeeping, that is the general store and other necessity things are going on shop. After that, computer center. One computer center is also there. So these are the non-farming activities which are going on in the Palampur. So in this way, today we have come to know about the occupation in a village Palampur. Thank you. Have a nice day.